Hey guys, I just wanted to get on really quick and show you how I make my after sun spray. This is Holly with AK Essential Wellness, and we recently moved to Colorado and it's super hot here, and this is the only place with good lighting right now. So I was making a batch up and I thought I'll show you guys what I do. So I just have these 2-ounce spray bottles. You can use 4 ounces or 8 ounces, whatever is easiest, but I just am gonna refill these. So I got these bottles. You can get them on Amazon. I also get them at the EOS store. You can also go to shareoils.com or Oil Life. There's some great places where you can get oil accessories. But this is so easy. I just use 4 oils: lavender, peppermint, melaleuca, and Roman chamomile. So this is a spray that you would use if you got too much sun. It also can be an owie spray. It's just super calming and hydrating and just really helps support healthy skin, especially for little ones. So I just open this up and I do 8 drops of each of these oils in here. I start with lavender. Lavender is super calming for skin, so you just do 8 drops. So if I was going to do a 4 ounce, I would probably do 15 drops, and then if you did an 8 ounce, I would do 25. So it just kind of depends on you and your skin. You get to know that, but also making sure you're getting good dilution. So 8 drops of lavender, and then 8 drops of melaleuca. Melaleuca is really great for skin. It's very calming and supportive. 8, okay. It's really cleansing too. And then peppermint. So peppermint's strong, especially like with kids, but if it's really diluted in proper amounts, it's great. It's also very cooling to the skin. If someone doesn't like peppermint, you could try spearmint, but I love peppermint, and my 4-year-old is obsessed. So I do 8 drops of peppermint in here too. Okay. And then the last oil I like to use is Roman chamomile. It's super gentle, but it's very calming. Like if you get a bee sting or a wasp sting, we moved in here and my little guy got stung by a wasp the first night we moved in. There was a nest right at the front door. And so I just did some Roman chamomile, lavender, and baking soda, and it took the sting right away. So this is a great mommy tool to have in your first aid kit. And then what I like to do is I do fractionated coconut oil. You can order this from Amazon. It stays liquid. They take out the plant protein, so it's all liquid. And then I use aloe vera juice. And then I also like to use a little bit of vitamin E oil. I left my vitamin E, or actually I can't find it, so I need to go to the store and get some. So I'll just leave a little bit open on the top to add like a teaspoon of vitamin E, but you don't need a lot. So what I do is I will do like a 1/3 of the bottle full of coconut oil. So just squirt it in there, and I'll do, yeah, like a 1/3 of it. So it's about a 1/3. And then I will take the aloe vera juice. So you want organic, like non-processed aloe vera juice. You can order it on Amazon, or you can get it in town at like a local natural store. And then once you open it, you gotta make sure that you put it in the refrigerator. I cannot find my funnels, so if I spill a little, it's okay. And I just fill almost to the top. And then I'll just leave a little bit open to add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then you just put the spray bottle on and shake it, and it's super calming to the skin, and it's just amazing. And if you find that you want to smell the oils more, or you want them a little bit more concentrated, feel free. I use this on my kids, so it's plenty diluted for them, but I did 8 drops of each. I actually probably will do 10. So 8 to 10, and this is just a 2-ounce bottle, so you can play with it. If I went up in size in bottles, like I'll double that, so you know, like a 4 ounce, 15 to 20 drops of each, and then so forth. But 8 to 10, because I like to smell the oils and really feel them, and then it's totally diluted. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is a great summer spray for like taking it to the community pool if you're out hiking on the lake. It's just really cooling before you get in the car, and you can just spray down and it's just really helpful to support skin that might have had a little too much sun. So enjoy!